Today, I'll show you how to change the font and font size of comments in Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Make sure you are using the latest version, because the newer Acrobat layout may show comment tools in the All Tools panel, the right side panel, or the quick toolbar. Now open the PDF file that has the comment you want to format. To work with comments, open All Tools, then choose Add Comments. If your comment is a text box comment, click the text box on the page, then double-click inside the text box so you can select the text. Now highlight the words you want to format. A floating toolbar or formatting panel should appear. From there, you can change the font, font size, text color, and alignment for that text box comment. Adobe's current Acrobat help explains that text box comments can be formatted by selecting the text and changing its font attributes. Choose the font you want from the font dropdown. Then choose the font size. For example, you can make the text larger if the comment needs to stand out, or smaller if you want it to fit neatly inside the box. You can also change the color if you want the comment to be easier to notice. Now, if you are using a sticky note comment, the options are more limited. A sticky note is mainly for leaving review feedback, so Acrobat may let you change things like icon style, color, opacity, author name, or subject, depending on the comment type. Adobe's current comment properties guide says available appearance options depend on the type of comment. To check those settings, right-click the comment and choose Properties. Open the Appearance tab and adjust any available options. If you want future comments to use the same style, choose Make Properties Default, if that option appears. This applies the current properties to new comments of the same type. If you need full font control, use a text box comment instead of a sticky note. To do that, choose Add Text Comment or Text Box from the comment tools. Click on the PDF, type your comment, then format the font and size from the toolbar. When everything looks correct, save the PDF. So, to keep it simple, text box comments can usually have font and font size changes. Sticky notes have fewer formatting options, but you can still adjust their comment properties. And that's how you change the font and font size of comments in Adobe Acrobat. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.